Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Lachelle Trends, and sis, today we are Walmart shopping. I feel like we have not went shopping into my stores in a minute. Like, I'll show y'all glimpses and pieces or whatever whenever I'm picking out the outfits, but I don't just fully give you a look into my stores. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna hit a few Walmarts that I normally go to, and yeah, let's just get into it. You already see that I am here in the parking lot, so yeah, let's get into it. Okay y'all, so this is the first little section, the junior section. These right here are so cute. Look at these cropped denim tops. And then the light blue one, I typically go towards the light denim more, but the dark denim is definitely giving. She's super cute. Then they have like these little varsity jackets, but it's like cotton material. Not really a fan. It's giving little kid, but I guess you can kind of like spruce it up a little bit. She's okay, but I really love these. They also have like just a simple Henley top that I think is so cute. They have it in the color off-white and black as well as this blue one right here too. Hold on. Okay, look at the blue one. They got a blue one as well. Y'all, they also have these denim tops. This denim top is cute, but I like the black one better. But they're both really cute, as well as this little knit. They have it in white and in black. If y'all follow me, y'all already seen this little cropped number, but they have it in black. I think when I did my haul, I got this light brown one, which they still have some at my store as well. Y'all, get into the basics. It was people in the way before, so I couldn't do a whole, you know, panorama view, or is that even a word? But yeah, so the basics are real cute. And then this is the bottoms. It's like a neon pink cargo pants, and then some more like sweat pant cargo pants, and then they now have shorts out as well. Y'all, then they got these cute sets in blue, pink, and green. Real cute. I don't really get into the sets much because they're giving capri, because I'm a little too tall for it. But they are cute. And then they have these dresses. The only dresses that I think is cute are these like little basic ones. Hold on. This basic one, like a midi dress, I can do. Real cute. Y'all, this is the free assembly collection. The blazers, y'all, get into these like little bell bottom pants and that denim skirt. Then this is the rest of the collection. Real cute and just pretty much basic. And then their basics are so adorable. Like the tops, the quality of this top, and for $12, y'all, you cannot beat that. It's like a quality crop top, and then it comes in different colors. The blazer is $42, which is decent, because if you go to Zara, you know it'll be a little bit more. But yeah, this is the collection. This is different. I could see myself in that. And then they have some corduroy pants, and then like the little skirt. And then the skirt also comes in green as well. And then they have like these little pants. I want to say like work pants, like golfer shorts. I'm not sure. And then this little dress is cute. And behind the dress is this little jumpsuit. I'm over jumpsuits right now. Just right now, but it is cute though. Okay, y'all, these are the graphic tees in the women's section. It has AC/DC, Grand Canyon, what is this, Blondie, and then I don't know who that is, Kanye Brown, I'm not sure who that is. Then they as well have a Rolling Stones, and then, ooh girl, hold on, then they have this Yellowstone one. Y'all, this is the rest of the free assembly collection. It's just some basic tops. Okay, y'all, we are at the last Walmart that I'm gonna go to. Hopefully they have something. I've picked up a few pieces, so be ready for the little haul or whatever. But yeah, this is this is the last one. Okay, y'all, so we are all done with that Walmart. This one really doesn't have much in store, but I still come to it just in case because sometimes they do surprise me. But that is it. That is the last Walmart that I'm gonna go to today. Thank you for joining me and looking inside of my stores. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you again look out for the Walmart haul that is going to be coming out soon on the outfits that I chose today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.